Amitabh Bachchan, the Sahanshah of Bollywood, has a life story that is as dramatic and inspiring as the films he has starred in. His life story not only inspires aspiring actors, but also resonates with anyone striving to achieve their dreams, regardless of their chosen path. Amitabh's life serves as an inspiration to all, proving that no dream is too big and no goal is unattainable if one is willing to put in the effort and never give up. His journey from a humble childhood to becoming one of the most revered actors in the history of Indian cinema is a testament to his talent, perseverance, and indomitable spirit. Early life and childhood. Amitabh Bachchan was born on October 11, 1942, in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, to renowned Hindi poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan and social activist Teji Bachchan. Named Inqilab at birth, inspired by the phrase Inqilab Zindabad, meaning long live the revolution. His name was later changed to Amitabh, meaning the light that will never die. Growing up, Amitabh was deeply influenced by his father's literary background and his mother's unwavering support. Education and early aspirations. Amitabh attended Sherwood College in Nainital, where he developed a keen interest in theatre and acting. He later graduated from Kirri Mal College, University of Delhi, with a Bachelor of Science degree. Despite his academic achievements, Amitabh was drawn to the world of acting. However, his towering height and baritone voice, which would later become his trademarks, were initially seen as obstacles in the film industry. Struggles and early challenges. Amitabh's journey to stardom was far from easy. After moving to Bombay to pursue his dreams, he faced multiple rejections due to his unconventional looks and deep voice. He even spent some time working as a freight broker in Kolkata to make ends meet. His perseverance paid off when he got his first break in the film, Saath Hindustani, 1969. Although the film did not do well at the box office, Amitabh's performance was noticed, and he won the National Film Award for Best Newcomer. Breakthrough and rise to stardom. Amitabh's big break came with the film, Anand, 1971. Where he played the role of Dr. Bhaskar Banerjee alongside the legendary Rajesh Khanna. His performance was critically acclaimed, and he earned his first Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor. However, it was the film, Zanjeer, 1973, that catapulted him to stardom. His portrayal of Inspector Vijay Khanna earned him the title of Angry Young Man and established him as a leading actor in Bollywood. Marriage and personal life. In 1973, Amitabh married Jaya Bhaduri, a talented actress in her own right. Their love story began on the sets of Guddi and culminated in a wedding that was celebrated by fans across the nation. The couple has two children, Shweta Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan, who have also carved their own identities in their respective fields. Unparalleled success and iconic status. The 1970s and 1980s were the golden years for Amitabh Bachchan. He delivered a series of blockbuster films, including Diwar, Sholay, Amar Akbar Anthony, Dawn, and Muqaddar Ka Sikandar. His performances were not only commercially successful, but also critically acclaimed, earning him numerous awards and accolades. Despite his immense success, Amitabh faced significant challenges, including a near-fatal accident on the sets of Coolie, 1982. The nation prayed for his recovery, and his miraculous survival only added to his legendary status. However, the incident took a toll on his health and career, leading to a temporary decline in his popularity. In the late 1990s, Amitabh faced financial difficulties and a series of box office failures. However, his resilience shone through as he reinvented himself by hosting the popular television show, Kaun Banega Crorepati, in 2000. The show was a massive success, and it re-established him as a household name. Simultaneously, he began taking on more mature roles in films like Mohabbatein, Black Pa, and Pikku, proving his versatility as an actor. Successes and legacy. Amitabh Bachchan continues to be a dominant force in Indian cinema. His contributions to cinema have been recognized globally, earning him numerous awards, including the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. Amitabh Bachchan's life story is a remarkable journey of resilience, determination, and unparalleled success. From facing numerous rejections and financial hardships to becoming one of the most iconic actors in the world, his journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and self-belief. His legacy continues to inspire millions, proving that with hard work and dedication, one can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. His story is a source of inspiration for aspiring actors and a beacon of hope for those facing challenges in their own lives. As he continues to entertain and inspire, Amitabh Bachchan remains an enduring symbol of the magic of cinema and the triumph of the human spirit. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on Living Beyond Limits.